Hi everyone, my name is Taiwo. In today's video tutorial, I will introduce a free portable universal Excel merger application that requires no installation and is ready to use right out of the box. As you can see from the screen, Excel file merger portable free apps. I will go to the next slide to give you a brief illustration about what this app is all about. As you can see, Excel file merger portable free apps is a universal window application. No software installation required. Run the portable single executable file. Simply click and merge your Excel file. Download your free copy https://dataserver.kujostech.com/Excel merger apps. So this is where to download. Anyway, I'm going to add the link to the description section of this tutorial video. So, and the next thing to do is to load the application to show you how efficient this application is. It's going to save you a lot of time. And the application, I'm going to load it straight away. Okay, this is our application, and we need Excel to illustrate what we want to do. So all we need to do is to double click. This is our single Excel quotable file, Excel merger free. So we will demonstrate now. It's loading. Our application loaded successfully. This is our application. And to do that, before we go further, let me demonstrate what we have in this page of our folder, because we're going to make use of the folder. So basically, we have folder Excel file, which is the extension of XLS. That's the beauty of this application. You can combine both XLS, the older version before 2010, and the newer version. And if we go back to, and this postcode is the newer version, which is the 4 extension digits, which is SLSX. So, however, we're going to demonstrate the logic of how the magic this application performs in terms of speed. So basically, all you need to do, you click select folder and merge button. I'm going to navigate to this folder Excel file. I'm going to click it just once and I click select folder. You can see this application merge the file less than 1 seconds. It's just nanoseconds of about 2 or 3. So I will open this folder Excel file. You can see it's already merged, and it gives you the merge data as a name and the date and the time. So if you open this application, let me okay this and minimize our single application portable file. You can see it merged from 1 to 10. We have 3 files here comprised of 5 single individual rows. So because it's a limitation to this particular one, because it's a free version, so that is the reason why you can only merge only 2. If I go to the application again, let me close this and load this 3 file. So 1 to 5, that's the first one. The second one, 1 to 6 to 10, and the third one is 11 to 15. So, but because there's a limitation, I'm going to roll out the full version. It's a couple of days. So I'm going to close all this. So I'm going to demonstrate the seconds. So this is postcode. This comprises of 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 30. So let us navigate to that folder. Our folder is postcode. I'm going to open so that you can see the magic is going to show you that it's right into that. So when I click select folder and merge, I'm going to click this postcode and I will click select folder. Automatically write to that file straight away. As I said, it merge only because we have 10 file in rows of record in each of them in the three. We are supposed to have 30, but because it's a limitation of only 2 files that can be merged with this particular, because we're just like a scenario to demonstrate the power of this application. That is the reason why you can only see just 20. So I'm going to click OK. To save time, I'm just going to open the last one, which is 11 to 20, or just the first one for you to see. You can see this is the record number is, let's move it to the 1 to 10, and the last one is 21 to 30. You can see it doesn't match that one because the full version will match anything you have in your folder. So the last example, just to show you that this application can match, even though your application is 500 to 300, 700,000, 1 million. So in this particular row 13K folder, we have about each record. The first one, just to show you that it is capable to match millions of records, we have about 500,000 in this row A, which is line number. So as you can see that this is the one all the way to 500,000. I'm going to close that. Let me show you the second one, which is B. Remember, we can only merge 2 because it's a demo version. So this one, starting from, let me go 500,001 and end up at 1,100,000. I'm going to close it. So the third one, we have about 13,000 record in that one. Let me just show you the C. It's not going to match. There's no need, but I'm just going to show you. So we have 1,101,000 all the way to 1,010,000. So that's not what we're after. So we're going to call up our apps again, and we're going to navigate to this row 13K. Select folder. We click that and select. And this will just show you how, because it's a lot of files, about 1,100,000 records. So in terms of rows, so it's going to tell us how long it's going to do the magic. So imagine you have a lot of record in your folder, you want to start combining them together, because sometimes you might, because of demonstration purpose, that is the reason you have that 500,000 in each record. So imagine the record that you collected for about monthly or weekly or even yearly, and you want to have your legacy file saved to somewhere. So it has right into that memory. Before you know, it's going to complete the task. So you can see that they match data based on the date of the day and the month and the year. If you finish, then I just want to see. And the good thing about this application is going to tell you the time of duration that to complete the task. So we are at 58 seconds. So let's say it's going to be something around a minute and some 1 minute 3 seconds for 1 million record. This is extremely fast. You can see. Okay, now we close it. We minimize, and we're going to open our newly matched file, which is this one. So all I need to do, I'll double click on this. Just press one single row just to show you that if you have your record, it doesn't matter. It's million, as far as the not over the limitation of the Excel, is going to mark them for you. This is a 1,100,000 record that match in less than 1 minute 5 seconds. So this application is extremely good. Grab your copy from the download page, which I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to minimize, take you to this is where you can get the download page. If you go to dataserver.kujostech.com/Excel Merger apps, you can get your download copy free of charge, which is the demo page. So later on in the couple of days, as I said, I'm going to roll out the full version that you can, regardless of the number of folder of Excel file you have in your folder, is going to merge them together quicker and easier, and makes your life easier. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this application is very useful to you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain your style. Bye for now.